Are you the new owner of real estate? Do you need to change the title name? Being named on the title is crucial because legally, ownership and property rights lie with them. We can help you legally record a new name. Simply sign up to our app and we will connect you to a dedicated lawyer in your state. At a minimum, your lawyer will consult with you and advise the best way to take title, assess potential violation of your mortgage terms, and record your new deed. Serious consequences can arise if your title is not properly recorded. Ownership validity can be questioned and you may be liable for previous owner debts. A lawyer is your best chance at ensuring your title name is recorded accurately. If you go to court, your membership provides a legal defense at a 25% discount on your lawyer's rate. Hiring a lawyer may sound expensive, but with our mobile app and for less than $1 a day, we open the door to experienced lawyers and the justice system. A lawyer can be the key to a happy home. Take 5 minutes to sign up and join the millions we already empower across North America. LegalShield. Find your justice.